What's up? Good morning, evening, and afternoon to everybody. Your Daddy Yang is back here for another unboxing video, and this time we'll be unboxing the new latest Macbook Pro 2023 M2 chip that has dual screen capability. So let's go ahead and start. Let's see, it was just recently delivered by DHL just a few hours ago. So first time trying to unbox this, so guys, bear with me. I'm just using one hand here. So there I go, straight out of the box. Okay. So there you go, MacBook Pro. Again, it's a 16 gig 512 GB storage, 14-inch MacBook Pro with M2 Pro chip. Just put this one aside. So let's start the unboxing. Like that sound. One more aside. One ASMR here first. There you go. Again, let's flip the backs over. Based on the catalog, this one should have multiple IOs, including an HDMI input or output. So there you go. It comes together with a wax type covering. Okay, before we open this one, what's inside the box? Well, a heavy duty USB-C braided cable, as you can see. Lightning, lightning, it's Thunderbolt with the Mac proprietorship connector. I guess this goes to the power brick or the power adapter, and this goes to the Mac itself. So they brought it back. Okay, there you go. Documentations. And all other documentations. And I guess there's a sticker here as well. Anyway, power brick. It's a standard Apple Thunderbolt charger. So if you have the previous MacBook Pro or MacBook Air, you can use this charger as well. Okay. UK power plug. And there's nothing else. Okay, let's begin with the laptop itself. So here you can see it's securely covered by this plastic or this waxy paper type of covering. Another ASMR. Wow. It's unlike the older versions. I myself am using 2020 version MacBook Pro. This looks like more It has a feel of corners, although as you can see it still has the curved corner, but it feels like different from the older version, which is much more stylish looking, but this time more industrial like looking. On the side it has the power connector and two USB-C and 35mm audio input. And on the other side, yeah, it has a SD card reader, one USB-C and HDMI. Okay, the LCD test. Let's see if we can open up the Mac without it lifting the whole laptop itself. Wow. Oh, started right away. There you go. Let's try to remove this. Let's see if we can do some ASMR as well. So that's the new MacBook Pro M2 chip to 2023. Okay, almost forgot some reviews on the device itself. So speakers are neatly designed on both sides. You won't even feel the grooves on the speaker itself. Keyboard are standard with the Apple chiclet keyboard, but they included a power, and I guess this one has a fingerprint login or touch ID capability as well. It has the Apple's signature notch. Unlike before, it has a specific space for the camera and the Face ID recognition as well. There you go. The touchpad itself is quite big compared to previous models, and yeah, very stylish. The Apple quality itself. So there you go. So again, guys, see you next unboxing. Bye.
To use English as the main